The most expensive mistake in global hiring isn't the salary. It's the administrative debt you build when you hire the wrong way. If you're spending more time researching French lunch vouchers or Brazilian labor laws than you are on your actual job, you've picked the wrong path. Usually, the pressure is get them onboarded fast. But 3 months later, you're drowning. 5 invoices, 3 sets of labor laws, and 0 visibility. You didn't hire a person. You accidentally started a full-time research project. To avoid this, you have to match your hiring model to your business objective and the nature of work. Think of expansion in 2 phases. Phase 1 is market entry. This is where you test the waters using either contractors or employer of record. The choice depends on the nature of work. Use contractors for finite project-based tasks with specific deliverables. They provide their own tools and they set their own hours. But for core talent like your first sales hire or your smaller in-country team, use the employer of record. The beauty of the EOR is that all of the local nuances, the tax filings, the specific benefits, leave management, the mandatory allowances are all taken care of for you. Phase 2 is the anchor. This is the move to a local entity, a strategic milestone for when you're ready for full ownership of your local footprint. Beyond the legal setup, this stage brings functions like audits and payroll into your internal operations. The transition makes sense once your local growth reaches a point and matches your long-term commitment to the market. Global growth is a journey, and at Deel, we provide the infrastructure for the entire life cycle. Whether you're setting up your first international hire or ready to set up your own entity and run local payroll, Deel can support it all in one platform. Any flow is as seamless. You can scale from your first hire to a global hub without ever switching systems, migrating data, or losing your HR and payroll history. Don't let your hiring model hold your strategy back. I'll see you at the next stage of growth.